Okay, so I've created another OSD. It's a wallpaper changer. Now I know there's many, and you could use a Rofi, which is great. I mean, my Rofi, it kind of looks alright. I've struggled to get it to match my specific look, to match my OSD looks. This is a specific OSD look I'm going for, and it just doesn't look the same. But Rofi is great. So I've just created my own wallpaper OSD in QuickShell, which is Control in U, or I mean Super in U. This is it. Very simple, minimalistic. It grabs all my pictures from my pictures wallpaper folder. Whatever I throw in there, it will just put in here. I can scroll by dragging it with my mouse, and yeah, now I can just choose one. So let's just go to a clean screen, open it, and then say I want this one. It goes there. So this is the manual change, and you can see it uses a different animation every time. That one, and that one. This is nice wallpaper. Right, so then that's the manual. If you just want to do it manually, you can click on it, and then if you want to let it run and change wallpaper on a timer, and then you can just press this button, start, and it will run. Even after a reboot, it will keep changing wallpaper. I set mine to every hour. So what this does is, it actually, if you install this OSD, it will actually set up the systemd service and timer for you. So if you want to change the timer, you're just gonna have to go into your terminal, check that timer and change the time in there. I set mine to every hour. So if I press start, yeah, it will now just keep running. I think I've set it to 10 seconds for now. I'm not sure. I should actually set it to 1 hour. Let's see. 10 seconds. Yeah. So now it will just run. I mean, I can, oops, wrong one. I can close it, and it will just change my wallpaper every 10 seconds. And then if I want to stop it, basically just press stop. And then I can just manually choose it again. Choose a wallpaper again. There's some nice wallpaper in here. I don't even remember where I got all this wallpaper. So good. Here's the dystopian look. I like. Anyway, that's my wallpaper OSD. Pretty straightforward. It just does the job, minimalistic, and it suits my other OSDs pretty well. As you can see, I'm just gonna open all of them. There's my time. This is my workspace, all my active workspaces. As you can see, it shows all my active workspaces. I made another video where I talk about this one. And what else do I have? Do I have any other OSDs? I'm sure I have. Anyway, this one too. Yeah. So all got a similar look, simplistic, kind of dystopian look. I like that. Very cool indeed. Let's just close all that. And that's my wallpaper. Good times. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Good.